Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save if your webcam or the camera in your laptop is not working. But first of all, you just need to go to start menu, then go to settings. And after that, in the search here, you need to search the camera, and here you'll find manage cameras option. Click on this, and after that you can see there's an option of camera privacy settings. Click on that, and make sure you have found on this camera access. Make sure to turn on this. And also, if you're using your camera in a specific application, make sure to turn on also this. Like I use WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, so I have turned this on. Also, if you want to use Google Chrome, you have to also turn on for Google Chrome. And after that, you can see if your camera is working or not. Now, if this method doesn't work, the second method is just go to the search bar and search for Device Manager. Click on Device Manager, and after that, you need to find camera here. As you can see, as the camera, and under the camera, right click on the webcam that you have. I have HP White Vision HD camera. Then if you have enable device here, you just need to click on this. When I was enable device, to enable it, like to have, you can just disable it and right click on it. If you have enable device like this, click on to enable device and check if your camera is working or not. And still, if your camera is not working, like click on the driver here. Then click on this hardware driver. Go to browse my computer for drivers, and you just need to click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here, if you find the old version of your driver, if you have 2 or 3, you can just select it and click next, and then it will auto be installed. And now just close and restart your PC and check if your camera is working or not. Hope this thing method will help you to fix your camera or the webcam on your laptop. If you found it really helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.